Medium format cameras are quite expensive. You need to carefully consider your options before you decide which one to buy. To make it easier, we've narrowed down your choices and listed some of the best medium format cameras that are out on the market today. Let us start with the third product on our list, which is the Hasselblad X1D-50c 4116 edition. Determined to shake up the photographic industry, Hasselblad has unleashed a world's first in the form of the X1D-50c medium format mirrorless digital camera. This camera takes the well-regarded 50 megapixel 43.8 by 32.9 mm CMOS sensor found in numerous media format systems and incorporates it into a revolutionary mirrorless camera body. Designed and handmade in Sweden, this camera is a precision tool with exceptional ergonomics and a compact size that even rivals smaller format systems. Taking the system above and beyond the rest is a large sensor that works hand in hand with the Hasselblad natural color solution. This creates phenomenal raw images with smooth tonal gradations thanks to 16-bit color depth and 14 stops of dynamic range. The image quality is superb, and Hasselblad's electronic system is capable of capturing clean images with a sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 25,600 while also being able to capture photos at a rate of up to 2.3 frames per second. The X1D embraces mirrorless design by incorporating a 2.36 megapixel XGA electronic viewfinder that permits natural, eye-level monitoring with the added advantage of overlays and programmable information in direct sight. One such feature would be the ability to shoot in various aspects with a view that compensates for such changes, including square or the classic X-Pan panoramic format. Up next, we have the Fujifilm GFX 50s 51.4 megapixel mirrorless medium format camera. The Fujifilm GFX 50s delivers the world's best image quality. It combines outstanding resolution of 51.4 megapixels with exceptional tones, advanced color reproduction, and high-performance lenses. The Fujifilm GFX 50s features a 43.8 by 32.9 mm CMOS medium format sensor. Boasting an effective resolution of 51.4 million pixels and paired with high-performance GF lenses, the sensor delivers superior tones and sharpness that will impress professional photographers shooting in the world of commercial, fashion, or landscapes. Both the shape of the light-gathering micro lenses and the processing from the photodiodes have been optimized to achieve a high level of sharpness and broad dynamic range. The lowest native ISO sensitivity of 100 and the 14-stop dynamic range achieved with 14-bit raw data delivers high-definition images in a variety of conditions with notably rich skin tones and intricate foliage detail. The Fujifilm GFX 50s sports the X-Processor Pro image processing engine, capable of drawing the very best out of the 51.4 megapixel sensor. The best medium format camera we found was Pentax 645Z 51 megapixel SLR camera. You can experience the distinct perspective of medium format photography with the unique 645Z. The 645Z seamlessly combines brilliant build quality, exceptional operability, and hyper resolution with 51.4 million effective pixels. Designed to meet the needs of a wide range of professional photographers, the 645Z offers class-leading speed and response with 3 frames per second continuous shooting and fast image review and transfer. Experience your photographs firsthand with the high-resolution, tiltable 3.2-inch LCD monitor. The 645Z allows the capture of beautiful full HD movies and 4K interval shooting. Take your photography from the field to the commercial studio to the next level with the distinctly brilliant Pentax 645Z from Ricoh Imaging. We hope this video helped you in finding the right medium format camera. Do subscribe to our channel to watch more videos.